Corner 28, guys. We're gonna go right here. Welcome back to Flushing's Chinatown. We are here at this place called Corner 28, and they apparently have really good Peking duck pork or Peking duck buns. Slices of Peking duck inside steamed rice floured buns with a little bit of drizzle of hoisin sauce, I guess. But we heard that this place makes the best, so let's go inside and give it a try. It's a food market. Ooh. Yeah, look, they got the Chinese donuts right there. It's really good. And so, right here, Peking duck. I don't know if the camera can really see that. It's too bright, but there's a big flashing sign that says $1.25 per piece. New, how many pieces do you want? 2. In the meantime, guys, take a look at all of the specialty food items they have. Can we get 4 of the Peking duck? Yes, 4. Yeah. Let's go there and see her make it. $5? Okay. She's making it right there, guys. The steamed buns she's got was in there some. Is that cucumber?
Yeah, cucumber.
Cucumber, scallions, and then the Peking duck. And then she's gonna drizzle some of that sauce in it. What sauce is that? Haishin or hoisin sauce. There we go, guys. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah, go ahead, take it.
Our duck buns right here.
Ooh, man.
Nicely prepared.
Look at that, guys. Mmm. All right. All right, New, why don't you give it a shot?
Alright. Oh, God. Kind of squeeze it in here. Mmm. Very good. The savory of the duck, the cucumbers add like a nice fresh touch to it, and like the sauce is like pretty sweet, so it like really balances it out, all these flavors right here. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. All
right, guys, I'm gonna go for this one right here. I see that it has a little bit of the skin. Oh wow, the buns are very soft. Look at that. You can see the Peking duck here, that nice skin, that Peking seasoning on there. And you can see the layers of scallions, cucumbers, and then the Peking duck and hoisin sauce. I think I ate the whole Peking duck in one bite. I left the rest behind. But it's so good. The duck is so succulent, so tender, and that skin, perfect richness to it. And that hoisin sauce adds the slightest sweetness and saltiness and the freshness coming from the scallions and the cucumbers make this a very well-rounded bite. And then the soft, sticky buns gives it another dimension of texture. Guys, I'm gonna go for this last one here. Look at that.